Welcome back here on my channel. Thanks for joining me here in my diecast room in Bavaria in Germany. Today we do have something very different. Normally I do unboxing videos of diecast cars. Sometimes we do have some diorama figures or maybe a small diorama. But this time we got the track builder from Hot Wheels. Why? Because I want to build a race track. I won't be using the cars that I do collect. Sometimes, you buy some 5-packs and you got these fantasy cars that I'm not really into it from Hot Wheels. And my son's also got his own little car collection. And yeah, we will do some racing in the future. And yeah, that's it. Here we are, the track builder. So I haven't done an unboxing of such a huge piece before, so I'll do the best I can. And I would say, let's take a look at it. You can see this packaging is formed like a huge jerry can in orange. This is what it looks like. This is the backside. And I hope you can see it. It does come with a fantasy car. So I would say we start with opening this thing. Cut this thing here. Here it is, looks kind of cool. Hot Wheels track builder. So now okay. So this is what it looks like inside. So this is, I guess, or there are some other things that you can integrate in your track from Hot Wheels. You got this, I don't know, start ramp or how you call it, some track parts, a curve, and some other parts. So here's the instruction. And I will assemble this thing here off camera because I think it takes too much time. So I would say I'll go at work and I'll see you in a second. And we are back with a completely different perspective. As you can see, this thing has its size, and now you can see it in all its glory here on my desk. The assembly was pretty easy. I would say it takes around 5 minutes to put it all together, maybe a little bit more, but I would say surely not more than 10 minutes. And that is a good thing because, if you are planning to put this track builder here under the Christmas tree for your kids, there won't be any frustrations. There are some toys that take a lot of time to assemble, and the last thing you want to have on Christmas is frustration, and yeah, that's a good thing. So by the way, this is the car that came with this track builder. It's the what's it called, the Forward Force fantasy casting from Hot Wheels. And yeah, this is also going to be our test car. As I'm going over, oh, focus is lost. Now we are back. We pull back this thing here on the starting ramp, put the car in it, and start and yeah, crash. But as you can see, it works really, really good. I would say we do another round that you see. We don't do any tricks here. And we didn't have a random success. So 3, 2, 1, start. And once again, once again a crash. But yeah, this thing works, and I would say this will be yeah, a part of my hopefully huge future track somewhere in the living room or in the basement. Yeah, I don't know. By the way, here is the manual, the instruction. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, this is the one what I wanted to show first. You can build a second version of this track. So as you can see here, you don't go up on the top of this jerry can. Track goes around here, loop stays the same. So if you want to do that, you can do that. And another cool thing is here. There's a kind of an instruction how you can put the parts back into the jerry can, because you know sometimes it's hard to put the parts back in to their package. So that was the review of the track builder, and I hope you did like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel. That's it for today. I say thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.